everyone, welcome to the CAARA farms. We're going to pick a couple of ingredients that I need for one of my favorite recipes today, which is the sun-dried tomato pesto and grilled vegetable sourdough sandwich. So to get started with our sourdough sandwich, we need to first pick what vegetables we want to do. I have some zucchini and some tomatoes here, but you can really use whatever you have in your fridge. So just chop those up in thin slices, and you want to marinate it in some olive oil and in some garlic, some salt and pepper, and then sear them in a hot pan. We're all ready to now compile our sandwich. So our vegetables are grilled. I took slices of sourdough bread and put some olive oil on it and also grilled it on the pan so it's nice and hot. So to start off with, you need your sun-dried tomato pesto, which you're going to first layer in your sandwich. So take a nice generous spoon of the pesto and smear it as your base. You then want to layer your vegetables. And finally, you want to put some of that wonderful farm fresh salad leaves that we have. So here I have a mix of spinach, rocket, a couple of basil leaves, some oregano. If you like cheese, I love to add some English cheddar. So a couple of slices of English cheddar. And there you go. You just need to close your sandwich and you are all done. Now your sandwich is all ready to eat. If you have a panini machine at home, you can also grill this, but it's perfectly delicious to eat just as you've just made it.